To obtain a new Chime card, whether your current one has been stolen, lost, damaged, or is otherwise unusable, start by opening the Chime app and logging in. On the main screen, click the gear icon located at the top left to access the settings. Scroll down through the settings until you find the Cards section, which includes options to reset pins and replace cards, and select Cards. At the bottom of this section, you will see a green button labeled Manage Physical Card. Click on this to proceed. A new settings window will open, where you need to click Replace Card at the very bottom. You will then be prompted to indicate what happened to your debit card, with options including lost, damaged, or stolen. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be directed to the next page, where you can initiate the process for a replacement debit card. This process is straightforward and should result in you receiving a new card.